Hello and welcome back to Pure on the Road here at TechFest 22 downtown Los Angeles. I'm Sam Marasini. This is Eric Blonda. Eric is part of Cisco's partner team here at the event, sponsoring with us. Welcome to TechFest.
Welcome. It's actually alive. You're here. We're not just avatars. This is actually happening on the school rooftop.
Yeah, outside on a rooftop, and I think that's kind of a cool vibe here, right? It's a little different.
It's a very cool vibe. We'll take it.
There's a lot that's been happening between Pure and Cisco. Our customers, our partners have been asking for it. Big things going on, right?
Big things going on, and like I said, we really didn't miss much through the transition over the last couple of years. As a matter of fact, it's only enhanced what we're trying to do together, which is combine our joint value to be more than just 1 + 1, but provide a real solution-oriented approach, which is what the market's asking us for.
Well, that's all about solutions-oriented approach, and I know a big piece of that has been FlashStack, right?
FlashStack. We just celebrated our 7th birthday, if you can believe that.
That's amazing.
We share a 7-year-old together, co-parenting as well
crazy.
as anything.
It's been 7 years.
It has.
A lot's happened in 7 years, and it's only gotten better because I know recently you guys have done a lot around the management stack on
a lot about
FlashStack.
The management stack. We had the opportunity to integrate at the software level, and that's we spent a number of years integrating the infrastructure itself, and the investments we're making today are really all about operational efficiencies, manageability, automation, observability, and that all happens with the joint investments that we're making at the management level. We're investing now very closely in a consumption model that's very, very cloud-like.
Right.
So in as much as the operational model, we've been pursuing that very automated cloud-like model for our on-premises solutions. Now we're getting into the consumption area where we can truly maximize that cloud experience on-prem, which again is where the market's asking us to take.
And that's all FlashStack as a service. It fits right into our as-a-service business model.
That's exactly right.
For both of us. And it's getting customers what they need, and it's helping our partners to deliver that end-to-end solution. So dude, you got a big conference coming up here next week, right? This is big, by the way.
Funny you
This
should
is
mention
huge,
that.
but I think there's another one next week.
There is another one next week, and as a matter of fact, I know Pure's going to parlay everything that's going on this week.
We're going to roll this.
Just going to roll this up, wheel it over to Las Vegas.
I'd love to wheel some of this up and take it to Vegas.
Yeah.
This tent might fit in some of those casinos.
Good, put it on wheels. We'll drag it over there.
But that said, you think we could just jump over there?
Well, which direction is west?
Exactly
I think
sure,
that might be west right there.
Let's go, and we'll see. Yeah, let's do it.
Let's give it a try.
Wait a minute.
Wait,
It worked. We landed at Cisco Live 2022.
That's great.
Right in front of the
here we are. Somehow the universe knew where to put us. We even brought Francois along.
Francois is with us. So this is amazing. So we went from Accelerate, where we're talking about all kind of stuff, but primarily FlashStack when it comes to some of the partnership here. What's happening from allowing our customers to deploy applications, databases, leveraging an infrastructure that's supported by Intersight from your side.
Yeah, the wonderful thing about FlashStack is it really is this living, it's actually breathing organism.
It is behind us.
Yeah,
I can feel it.
Living, breathing, and so we're constantly iterating on ways to use FlashStack for value. Latest of which, we're hearing more here at Cisco Live about the cloud-native FlashStack. We just finished our CVD with that includes Portworx.
Cisco Validated Design.
So Cisco Validated Design, and we know that one of the primary use cases coming along now is cloud-native, and that's where we want to enable some of the latest value.
And we have a blog about that. In fact, it's Portworx Data Services that we're leveraging on top of FlashStack to allow us to simply deploy that infrastructure stack so that then consumers of the information have the ability to simply deploy databases and applications on top of the stack.
Absolutely.
Makes it easy across the board. I got to tell you, we were outside in the sunshine. Now I like the vibe that's going on at Cisco Live. I love the sign when you come in, the boss.
As the keynote speakers were saying this morning, it just feels great to be back in person.
True.
And in some ways it feels like it was a little bit of a blip the last couple of years, and in other ways, it feels like we've kind of completely reinvented the experience, so it's great.
And there is a lot of that going on, and in fact, part of that experience is the Pure Theater around the corner here, where Cisco is presenting on that stage, talking about what we just talked about. We're talking about infrastructure as code. We're talking about all of the latest Portworx, all of the latest that we have from Cisco Validated Designs, along with Pure Validated Designs, to make it simple for our customers to jointly deploy these solutions. Eric, thank you for your partnership. This is awesome.
Thank you, Sam.
This has been great, guys. Look, there's tons of information on both the Cisco side and the Pure side of FlashStack and how it is helping you, our customers, deploy infrastructure quickly, easily, allowing you to uncomplicate that application infrastructure.
Flashstack.com. We made it easy.
Yeah, it's super easy. Flashstack.com.
Yeah.
Thanks, Eric.
Thanks,
we will
Sam.
see. I don't know where we jump to now. We'll figure that one out later. But
Yeah,
we'll
we're
see you
getting good
soon.
at that.
Thanks, man.
See ya.